Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Vivo IQOO Z8. On the first step, look for the fax app in the Play Store. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Pass the setup. And to show the 3 credits banner, restart application. Click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from gallery, just select your photo and click on the import icon. Now you can add this shape or to the document or the picture. And if you're ready, click on the arrow icon. Now choose the filter for the photo to make it more visible. If you're ready, click on the accept icon. Type the number in this place. Choose the country from the list. And to send the message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.